Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Meakin and welcome back to Nail Nails. I am here with Meg Feather and we are doing her last nail of our little series of tutorials. We're going to do, I think Meg could do this. We've told Meg she needs to have a go at doing it and do a little video because we just think it would be hilarious.
You just want to watch me try and do acrylic?
Yeah.
After seeing that photo, that's what you want.
She's shown me a picture of some nails that she did.
I'd end up back at Asda with that Kiss acrylic and nail set. Trying to do it.
Oh, so we're going to do a marble design. We're going to use butterscotch. This is going to be the base colour. So we're going to use butterscotch, and we're also going to use a little bit of white as well. So we're going to use Snow White, and we're also going to add a bit of purple in there as well. I am just going to cure that first layer. Put me that in. Right, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some white quite randomly, and then I'm going to use my gel brush that's damp with gel residue wipe off solution. And I'm just going to feather.
Feather.
You like it? Feather. Just going to feather that off.
Just gonna Meg feather that off.
Just gonna Meg feather that off. The gel residue wipe off solution will mix with the gel polish and also help to feather it out. Pop that on one. Then I'm going to pick up this dark purple, which is called Nightshade. Tuck that in there, and then we're going to do the same thing. So we're going to feather that out as well. Just cure me that. I'm going to add a little bit of white here. And I'm going to take a little bit of top coat, put that into my brush, and use that to soften the edge as well. So the top coat will dilute the pigment of the polish and give it a feathered effect as well. And I'm going to do the same with this purple now. So just added a little bit of purple. I've got top coat on my brush. And I'm just feathering out and blending with the top coat. And there's no kind of rhyme or reason really. All I'm doing is making sure I've got a bit of a highlight and a bit of a low light. Oh, I like. Do you like it?
I like it.
I love that. Right, put me that in the lamp. Right, I'm going to top coat this now. I think this kind of marble effect even, you know, looks like as if it's like folding petals. Do you know what I mean? That
Yeah.
kind of gives you that look of, because of the depth that it creates. I feel like it looks like folding petals as well. Oh,
Looks a bit layered.
yeah. Oh, put me that in the lamp. I'm going to finish with some cuticle oil. I love that.
Simple.
Do you know what? I think I might do some nails like this for me for the cruise. When I go on the cruise.
Mm.
I think that, with a bit of bling, I think it's just really elegant, you know. I think that'll fit. No.
It's not very elegant.
It looks like the middle of like a rose.
It does look like folded petals, that's what I'm saying, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's really pretty. Really pretty. Bold, pretty Meg. It's been an absolute joy to have Meg. She's lovely. She's just
Funny.
down to earth. Funny, yeah.
Wow.
You're acting like we don't still have like 4 nails to do.
I know, but I'm gonna do them off camera. So there you are, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video and our time with Meg. Meg's going to say ta to you now, and so am I. Don't forget, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Everything will be listed below. All the links to Instagrams and all that, you know, malarkey will all be listed below. So see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty Beakin and welcome back to Day O
Say that
Nails.
again.
Okay.
Just because you were kind of doing your
Yeah.
hair at the same time.